Hello, I'm Oscar. Honestly, I never expected my DIY battery videos to blow up like they did. My inbox was flooded with, "Can I buy this?" or "When is the mass production?" Well, you asked for it, so we went big. Today is the day. Our dedicated battery studio is officially live. We've brought in a full suite of industrial-grade assembly gear, and despite a tight budget, we managed to carve out a true geek sanctuary for battery tech. It all started 3 months ago with a fan's comment. "I'm really interested in your videos and hope there's a detailed course so I can learn to assemble them myself." That one sentence sent us on a 30-day non-stop grind. The process was way tougher than I imagined. At first, I thought, why not just set up a workstation at home to save money? But that idea was scrapped immediately. For anyone working with batteries, safety is always level 1 priority. Lithium thermal runaway in a cramped residential area is a total disaster. To get it right the first time, our team spent 72 hours straight scouring the city, filtering through locations based on fire safety, power load, and logistics. Finally, we found our spot. Come on, let me show you our battlefield. First, right in the center, is our standard battery assembly line. This covers everything from cell sorting and welding to final assembly, packaging, and shipping. Over here is the tool zone. Imagine this whole wall covered in our most used gear. It's literally paradise for tech geeks. Next to the tool zone is our semi-finished processing area. This is where we handle accessory prep, cutting, and our potting processes for specialized waterproofing. Moving along, this back wall is our testing zone for both semi-finished and finished battery packs. The area over here is for all our inventory, including primary materials and accessories. We've strategically divided the space into 3 zones: production, warehousing, and office. The warehouse is situated right next to the production line for a reason. It allows us to pull sample materials and get them onto the line instantly, ensuring highly efficient battery assembly and production. The reason we're confident enough to take this on is the like-minded team behind me. Our lead technician has been in the battery industry for 12 years, from the era of lead-acid to solid-state tech. Our structural engineer is a master of custom battery packaging. We're here to turn a hardcore interest into a professional mission. It's not just about passion, it's about respect for the craft. Back to that fan's question. We built this studio not just to manufacture hardware, but to output professional battery courses. We want to bridge the information gap and systematically teach 12 years of expertise to DIY enthusiasts around the world. This isn't the finish line, it's the starting point of our professional journey. We are ready to use our expertise to build the most hardcore products. So, what do you want to see as the first power box to come off this line? Let me know in the comments. Let's power up the world together.